In this video, we will show you how to set up auto deposit for RBC e-transfer. After you log in to RBC online banking, look for options like pay bills and transfer funds or account details for any of your accounts. These options usually appear on the main menu. Once you are in the right section on the right side of the screen, you will see a button or link that says Register for Interace e-transfer auto deposit. Click on that. Now you will need to add your email address. This is the email where you want to receive the money. Also, indicate the specific bank account where you want the funds to be deposited automatically. Take a moment to review all the information you have entered to make sure it is correct. Once you are sure, click on the button or link to confirm your auto deposit registration. After confirming, keep an eye on your email inbox. You will receive a confirmation email from Interac. This email will contain instructions on how to complete the setup process. Follow the instructions in the email carefully to finalize your auto deposit setup. This usually involves verifying your email address and confirming your bank account details. If you found this tutorial helpful, leave a like and subscribe.